need me to hold that for you? Up?
Yeah, hold it up. Just make sure that green's going. And we are live now. Back at PAX East Boston 2013. Holy Goalie, Nick DiNicola, Edie Sellers, Stormtrooper Ray. And something we've been waiting a long time to take a look at, Nick. We're all excited about the Elder Scrolls Online. This is for someone who's put in well over 3. I don't know how much you put in.
100, 120.
Yeah, and I know Edie's up 200. Well, but now going on.
Creative director on Elder Scrolls Online.
Okay. Now.
Well, first on, make sure that your friend the best people zoom out. We did get with but his Elder Scrolls combat was really find that you but if you time mouse interactive combat system, and hopefully you'll notice that we got a really clean interface. And there's a reason for that. We will not soon to be looking at the world and reacting to world situations with different monsters. So in other words, we're trying to provide strategic reasons for you to look into the world, and so different reactions. We've made our monsters smart, we made our AI smart, and so those are just a few of the basics of making sure that the feels just right.
Okay, so as someone that's played Xbox Skyrim, am I going to be familiar with this, and is it going to be kind of the same thing but with an MMO?
Well, one of the things that if you played Xbox, as long as you can make it to mouse and keyboard, you're doing pretty well.
Okay.
And yeah, it should feel very familiar to you. You should see a lot of the same things. So you'll see we have prompts. For instance, if you are supposed to interact something, you use your E to interact with something, which seems really simple, but that means that it's very easy interaction into the world. You just tap your E with something. We make sure that the questing should feel pretty familiar. So if you're like me, if you go out questing in, say, Skyrim or something like that, you're on a quest and you know you're about to go finish that, and then there's something over there. And then what is that thing over there, right? So that's another feeling we really tried to get, which is there's a lot of available activity in the world, and you want to just dart off, and maybe you don't finish that quest, but that's what's important and fun.
Now, as far as gameplay goes, let's say I'm online and Nick's online. Do we ever fight each other? Do we ever fight together?
You can absolutely do both. So at any time, if you're where is one, because